Right now, I'm standing here at Deputy Commissioner Office, Difu, where the Karbi Students Association is staging a protest or to come here to submit a memorandum in protest against, the granting of SDH to the Bodos living in Karbi Anglong. As what we have been given to understand is that the accord which was signed in the year of 2003, February 10, 2003, which talks about granting SDH or Scheduled Tribe Hills status to Bodos living in Karbi Anglong and Dimazau district. So in this protest, they are coming here to submit a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner, not only Deputy Commissioner but also the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and also the Chief Minister of Assam, and also the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. And they have come here on only one intention, and that is to oppose the granting of SDH towards the Bodo people living in Karbi Anglong and Dimazau district. And alongside me, joining us, Simeon Rongphar. He is the president of Karbi Students Association, and he is leading from the front. And I want to know from him that what is their demand. So, why you are here and why you are protesting these things?
Dear Sarim, through your Adulate channel, I would like to, at the very outset, I would like to draw the attention of the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, regarding the cabinet decision to confer SCH status to the Bodo people who are living in Karbi Anglong, maybe just like a few decades back. So, at this juncture, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, being the chief of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, he should have been aware of the sentiment of the Hills tribe. Being the chief of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, he should have been aware of the suffocating and fragile situation of the Hills district in both Karbi Anglong and Dimazau. So, Tuliram Ronghang, being the mute spectator, will not solve the problem. We want him to come up with a resolution, and that should be passed by the executive committee in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So, our genuine demand is that by any means, the competent authority cannot give SCH status to the people, to the Bodo people who are living in Karbi Anglong, because categorically it was mentioned in Scheduled Tribe Order 1850 that Bodos are the Scheduled Tribe Plain, and we Karbi, Dimasa, Rengma and other Hills tribals are categorically, it was mentioned in the Scheduled Tribe Hills in Scheduled Tribe Order 1950. Therefore, we wanted to appeal once again that the government, while they wanted to solve the problem of one particular tribe, they should not try to complicate it to another tribe. If the BJP wanted to develop the people of Karbi Anglong, then why don't they create autonomous state? Because they said themselves that sabka saath sabka vikas. Then creating autonomous state means the whole communities who are living in Karbi Anglong and Dimazau will benefit from that. So our genuine demand is that if you continue going on like this, dividing the people who are living in Karbi Anglong, then that means your party, the BJP party, is waging communal tension in Karbi Anglong. Thank you so much.
As he has just stated that they have only one demand, and that is the scrapping of SDH towards the Bodo people living in Karbi Anglong and Dimazau. As also he has stated that if the Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, really want to bring parivartan in Karbi Anglong and Dimazau, then why should not give autonomous state to Karbi Anglong and Dimazau as per the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution? And I don't know what would be happening in the days to come, but what I can tell you right now is they're submitting the memorandum through Deputy Commissioner to Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. So this is Sarim Tiso reporting live from Deputy Commissioner Office, Difu, and this is only for Karbi Anglong today.